like this place. What's Sephora?
Do they have Sephora here?
Yeah.
Where?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Yolanda. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know the vibe. Thank you very much for coming back. In today's video, I'm meeting up with my friend and we are going an hour from the city just to do window shopping and also to eat KFC, because KFC is very scarce in my city. I think we have just like 3 or 4 branches in my city and I love KFC chicken. So I'm going to travel 1 hour out of my city just to eat KFC. You better pick me as your brand ambassador because I am doing this just for the chicken. So yeah, so I'm heading to meet my friend now. So we just take the bus and go. So that is what this video is going to be about. Stay tuned. Don't go. Just stay tuned. So I'm ready to leave now and this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this top from Zara and I'm wearing this jeans from Bershka and my shoes from Zara. Guys, this weather is very tricky. The sun is out, but it's cold. And it can rain at any time. Like, this weather is a female. Mood swings every day, everywhere, here and there. People are looking at me too much. I feel very weird. I feel so weird. But I have to do this. Why is this car stopping? Oh, okay. See them! Coucou, Pepe! Ça va?
Silly.
Oh, your mood swings. It's
I know,
back,
right?
eh?
I know.
Guys, I just met up with my baby. I miss her so much. Vali, say hi. Journey to the west.
We're on our way
To eat chicken. What's she thinking about? Vali, what are you thinking about? You and your attitude.
I see. Ça va? Oui. We are going to eat first before we go for window shopping because I am hungry. So that's just about it. That's fun, no?
Hey, I'm fine, oh my god. Imagine. What is Vali saying?
She said she wants to swim. You've been a friend. Sir, what's me? The foodie in us.
Where there's food,
Where there's
us.
food, there is us. Please, we need sponsors. We want to be doing mukbang. Is that how they go?
Yeah.
Oh wow, sitting here to eat would be so nice.
No.
Oh my god.
No.
Let's go and stand there. It's almost coming to an end. We had a good walk.
I'm tired.
I'm exhausted. I'm super hungry. See my stomach. Show my stomach. Show my.
What's wrong with your stomach?
I need to eat.
Ah.
The stomach is empty. The stomach is empty.
Mine too.
So we need to eat. Yeah, we're gonna check the skills.
Hey, which way? I think we go this way.
Go this way.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah. You want it?
fan is coming behind you.
We don't care. We are our co-YouTuber.
Yes, my co-YouTube.
Yes. We don't care.
Omo.
Yeah.
Madam, where are we supposed to pass? Where are we supposed to pass?
I don't know.
Here. Let me check the map. This girl has no chill. She's so hungry that she has even left me. And we are here. Oh my goodness, it's raining.
What is this, honey? It's raining. It's raining. Why do you want to go and play outside when it's raining? What's a thing yum double, okay?
So guys, we're finally here. We made it. Finally. Take. Yeah, what did you see? I'm not going to. She has? Do you think it was worth it?
I think it was.
It was worth it.
I really enjoyed it. I don't know if I was hungry. It's been a while I ate it, so I think it was. What is that? Huh? Julia's right here.
Oh, of course. The talking is very incoming.
Why does it look like I'm looking this way?
It's because the lens is here. The lens is here. You have to
I'm
look
supposed
here.
to be looking. This is too funny. I'm satisfied, guys. Like, I'm really satisfied. So, I mean, I know they hear nothing. I'm hearing nothing. They use like you are looking. Why are you looking? You see, you are looking here, but it doesn't.
You are closer to the lens, so. Watch on.
Take the last drink and let's go. Guys, we are not allowed to vlog inside, so this is like a secret something. So please bear with us if the camera is not. We're all positioned. Okay, so I think we'll go upstairs because the probability that they'll catch us upstairs is a bit lower. I've been wanting this for Vadi for so long.
Is that her
Can you
size?
see the price? No, it's not her size. Yes, and it's so beautiful. I'm sure this is for like
5, 6 years.
really,
It's more than that.
yeah, maybe 7. Yeah, this is beautiful. How much is it? It's not bad.
How fast to film here. Oh, I like this shoe. 69 euros. It's not bad. It's too expensive. This one is not bad either. 74 euros. Wow. What size is that? What size? Oh, 39. That's like my size. So pretty, brother. This girl didn't allow us to do this window shopping in peace. Eh? She didn't allow us in peace. Yeah, what she said. Wow. She didn't allow us to do our window shopping in peace. No, I think they'll stop it.
So guys, we got 6 tickets for 10 euros. So she has 6 rounds to go. The life of a mother.
Oh, I'm even tired for you. I'm tired for you.
It's not easy, man. It's not.
I'm tired
She
for
says
you. Where is she?
She wants. She's out there.
I'm tired for you. Our next place to check will be. So we're going to Pull there.
I'm actually looking for something. So we are not just doing window shopping.
Not bad. How much is it? 10 euros. But it's the pasta.
I want one of this.
This is like 10 euros.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I think you should take the black one.
I wish I had something
I
like
know. Take the price. How much is it?
$12.99.
But we bought something like this before.
That's the 90.
Yeah, but you buy this, what are you going to use it for? 19 now. Come and buy this thing for how much? 13 euros. And where is it?
See them. The two of them have decided to let me run and chase them. Can you imagine? Are you a child? Yes, this is too funny. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so this is our next stop. We are going to Pinky and we are going to check what they have. So, as usual, we are going to be hiding the camera. And this girl is taking the lead. So, yeah. Alright, so we are in. We are actually having a soda. How do you say sold in English? Discount?
Discount.
Yeah, discount.
Sales.
Sales, exactly.
C'est quoi ça? C'est pour toi?
Let me see the face. Not to speak in the French. Because at this point, Madame is very angry. Can you imagine? What is doing you? Percent. This is really nice. This is really nice bag. They have just really casual stuff. And yeah, it's not bad. I think they are more into casual stuff. Yeah. Just normal stuff that you can just take out on a normal day. Nothing exceptional. And so yeah. I'm a fan of show your stomach stuff, so
Alright.
you know.
What's me?
Not you don't like show your stomach stuff.
Small, Kaka.
Hey.
You're a fan of show your stomach, show your boobs. Yes.
Hey.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yes. You are a fan of colored stuff. A fan of colored flowery stuff.
Yeah, fly.
Yes.
Where are we going?
When next? When next? Should we get little rings?
What?
Rings.
Rings?
Yeah.
Who is going to marry you?
Who is going to marry me?
I'm so sorry. I mean, who is going to propose to you anytime soon? You may never know. Let's go and check.
I know, right?
Where?
I know.
Come. I don't like this place. What's Sephora?
Do they have Sephora here?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm annoying Valley here. I want Sephora.
Sephora.
There's Sephora here, but I don't know where.
I don't know where it's at.
I think our last stop is going to be Sephora. Because this girl is giving us a very tough time. Like a very hard time, Valley. Wait. Oh, will I get a bin to put this thing in?
Yeah, so this is our last stop. And she's going. It smells so good. Oh my god.
Because of the perfumes. Do you know I don't even know my shade? My makeup shade?
You really don't know your shade. So you just choose any.
No, like when I'm going to buy it, I check. But like after I don't even know my shade. One is also not bad. It's very good. Right on my way. How much is 20?
Yeah.
25. Okay. The small one is 50. Okay.
Is that it?
The perfume? Yeah, that's it.
Put some there. Let me see. Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. Not that bad. Makeup is good.
It's good for me.
It's good.
Alright. Okay.
This way or this way? Which way are we going? Talk to me, baby.
I don't know.
Which? I think this way.
Okay.
No, this way. We came from here.
You came from here. Okay.
I can still smell the perfume is very good.
I can.
Being a mother is not easy. It's not easy, yo. Before you become one, think twice.
You're crazy.
Think twice, because being a mother is not easy.
At all.
So our day has to end because the queen is sleeping. How? Anyways, so we are heading back home.
Yeah.
Our day has ended. I'll see you guys in the next clip.